Hello everyone, welcome you to another video. Try and hold. This is something which I learned in the previous video. If you didn't watch, please try and watch because it's fun to watch my videos. And I've made these, so I hope you like them. Please write in the comments if I've made a great job. So I've shown you this in my previous video, and I'll show you the black next, which is also cropped. But for now, in this video, I'm going to show you pink. Have a look at pink. It's transparent, has a juicy, savory, juicy color. It's soft against the skin. It's very tactile. It's nice and transparent even on my arms. Which is my bright transparent. This top is transparent, top is transparent. Everything seems to be transparent these days, especially in my videos that I make for you and only for you. Kiss for everyone who's watching. Hello to my lovely kitty here. Please tell me which color you like of these transparent bras, these transparent crop tops, sorry. Do you think it's a great outfit to be using when you go to the party? I think it's quite elegant. Elegant color, lovely feeling, lovely and quite unique style, design. That's why I'm wearing it for you. Push my button, push to start it. slightly longer than the previous one, but it's also still not less sexy than the other one, than the previous one. And now let's have a welcome to the new one, which is this one. So see my next video and you'll get a surprise. Bye!